Jigsaw, Bigfoot. Hey, Jigsaw, Bigfoot, baby. Hey, Jigsaw, good old Bigfoot, ease in your radio. Oh, Jigsaw, Bigfoot looking bait. Hey, no kidding, I heard you. You better stay in the plane, coming up. And he also telling I know there's somebody else up in there with you. No, no, please, why you on Cassidy? Got me one of them big wagon base station out here jumping on the Camry 500 bottle, one Camry, and I got this Camry to throw down. Hello, wow, big one. Mr. Jigsaw, right back, come on. Hey, Jigsaw, all I'm trying to do is ease in there, wave my hand, man. Hey, Jigsaw, all I'm trying to do is ease in that cat big Toyota and say hello and howdy doody and jump right back out. Jigsaw, Bigfoot, bait. I'm gonna cut Jigsaw off for a minute. Hey, no pity, you said you heard me out there doing my damn thing and you want to keep down and say hello to 1-800, man. Hey, no pity, you did what you wanted to do, Kelly. You came in fast now, ain't no doubt about it. No pity in no pity county. You left out 1-800 with the helmet down, helmet down, helmet down. Don't care if it's bye, 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 bye. That was easy back down, Jigsaw. They kept me over 1-800 coming in there with you, man, making it rough and tough on that cat making it in, man. Hey, with Jigsaw, all I wanted to do was ease in that Toyota and wave my hand and ease back out. Jigsaw, Bigfoot, I see. Jigsaw, they kept me doing this thing, man. You see, you only got 5 when they kept me watching that cat making, man. Lord knows that cat making doing this cat making thing, that cat making show. Take care of freedom, I'm gonna get you back out the middle road. Hey, Jigsaw, Bigfoot, I see you. You say you'd be down here next week on that cat making in, man. Well, I'll sure be listening up on that cat making in, man, when you roll through on that cat making side. And maybe we can put this cat making hand in each other's hand on that cat making in. Hey, Jigsaw, Bigfoot, right back, Blake. I'll be looking you up, man. Hey, Bigfoot, I ain't a contact body snatcher, man. I'm a contact body snatcher. I'm gonna give that cat making $10 double L and all the rest of good time gang coming here. And I'm planning on looking you up downtown in a dome sometime next week. No deal. Put on your later, Bigfoot, my big friend downtown in a Houston town. Bigfoot, Mr. Jigsaw, Eddie Man Camry, I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. Jigsaw, all them cat making got my phone number on that cat making in, man, so you can get it from them and give me a call, or you can tell me where to be on that cat making in, man. We'll sure try to make it happen on that cat making side. Take care, my friend. We'll blow it down on you later. Jigsaw, Bigfoot, big on them all. Sorry about that, Jigsaw, quit being sassy. Now, when he do ride up in Texas, when Jigsaw ride in Texas, he's gonna have 1-800 in there with him. I'll be holding a shotgun that coming. When Jigsaw come to Texas, he gonna have me in there with him, man. But y'all better tell Jigsaw, he ain't got that hammer down like I do. 1-800 copy with Jigsaw, we go to Texas, bye. Tell you on that 1-800, you say you gonna ride with old Jigsaw when he come on that cat making in, man. You watch that cat making, man. That cat making got that Toyota out there on that cat making in. You're on top on that cat making side, but you can't take him all the way out on that cat making in. Take care of 1-800, bump it down on you later, Jigsaw. Look forward to putting the eyeballs on you sometime next week. Jigsaw, Bigfoot, I'm out. Sorry, that Bumblebee. Hey, Bumblebee, yeah, they kind of told me he's gonna roll to Texas. He said he's gonna roll up there next week, I guess. He told me that, man. Well, you know, Texas next week, man. But see, he's going to Houston, man, but I... Bye. That cat making Toyota smoking, I see. Roll on to Houston. Bye, Bumblebee. Scorpio lady. Because he getting sassy. Hey, Scorpio lady, come my dad keeps you in the Jigsaw getting sassy. Hey, Scorpio lady, he getting sassy, so I'm gonna have to kill him. That's what I'm trying to do. Scorpio lady, come on. What about that? Scorpio lady, 1-800, I should be on time right there. Bye, 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 bye. Yo, lady, leave that toy on. Bye, bye, bye. Hell no. I caught that cat. I'm gonna kill your plan like that because I caught him. You mean bad cat bigger, but I know what's going on right now. I caught that cat today. Bye. Stand back. I got to go to 7. Appreciate the fuck down away. Keep on. Let me get this cat. Get me back to the shack. Put on your left. Shut up, back in. Back stone, something like that. Get that back. Back stone, something like that. I'll wait right back at you, man, because you hear my radio. I just think it's 28, nigga. 1-800 Midwest, the cat is right back, right? So on that Blackstone, well, you got that mall down by Kansas City. Hey, Blackstone, you got that mall down by Kansas City also. Don't let this thing down, man. Let Jigsaw do his thing, man. But I'm can't wait. I got to hammer down. Bye, Blackstone. 1-800 go right there.
Does a black stone got any value like a black diamond? Hey, 1-800, does a black stone got any kind of value like a black diamond now, Blake?
Black stone, ain't nobody but the big brother. Bye in Texas. Hey, Black Diamond, I heard you also. You got me guilty of something you know who in Texas. I ain't gonna tell who it is either. Bye, Black Diamond. Black Stone, and I know who. I ain't gonna tell you who you is either. 1-800 Midwest, the Kansas City got down. Bye. Yo, 105, 189 in the west wing of my White House, right? Boy, they coming smoking too, man. You see, on low side, they coming smoking, man. They know this about it. Listen to my homeboy do his thing around my 2 Kansas City. 1-800 said I'm standing by, bye. Ain't no run on 1-800, man. Them boys got some miles now, man. I don't know what's going on, Kelly. You ain't looking at me or something, but I heard you say no run on 1-800, man. But them captains got some miles down. I call it hammers. They got hammer down coming out of Texas. I know you coming out of Texas too, but you gotta watch your homeboys because they got some hammers. What about that? 28, I know. Call it. Your 1-800 Midwest in Kansas City got that.
Easy there, wave my hand, 189, that's rough and tough, you know, on that cat making a hand, man. Oh, 189, old Bigfoot in Texas, waving, but...
Hey, right here, right now, I caught your wave. Hey, Bigfoot.
Come on.
Oh, that's why 189 got that mall down like that here between keys. Hey, Bigfoot, I don't want to know 189 got that mall down. That was another friend. That guy, you don't want to call me and tell me this skip was coming out there. Hey, Bigfoot, 189 got that mall down there, buddy.
As long as you don't cheat up there, tell them. That's what just telling me like it is, man. Well, you don't cheat on, he got that hammer down, 1-800, I see. They get a 189, that's rough in there, man. Just wanted to ease that way in my hand, man. Sounding good coming around the big horn, 189, old Bigfoot, I see.